Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Yeo Valley Shopping Bag. So let's go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, the Yeo Valley Shopping Bag has an overall red design to it with strawberries and strawberry flowers. And this bag is made from recycled plastic bottles. Now let's go ahead and open it up. So that's the shopping bag opened up, of course still in the flattened form, and just giving you a look and giving you some idea of the size of this shopping bag before I open it up further and expand it to its usable form. So now giving you a close-up look. So there you can see the Yeo Valley Family Farm branding and logo right there. And the main overall red color of this shopping bag. So the shopping bag measures 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters across and up and 20 centimeters wide. So there, just opening up the shopping bag and giving you a better look. So made from recycled plastic bottles. So it's going to give you that strength when it comes to shopping. And this shopping bag can only be attained by redeeming your Yeokens or Yeo Valley's points program when you buy their products and redeem the codes for the Yeokens or Yeo Valley points. So just trying to get the bag in shape as best I can without causing too much noise or making too much noise here. So right there you can see the nice deep red color. Might appear slightly lighter in the video, but you can see those lovely deep red strawberries with their strawberry flowers just covering the entire design of this recycled plastic shopping bag. So very interestingly, you can see on the side, which is 20 centimeters wide, you can see that design just carrying throughout the side of the bag, and there is some text near the bottom, and it says, "Hello, I'm made from recycled plastic bottles, and I'm not afraid of heavy shopping." So there it claims that, or at least it is, some testament to its strength, being made from recycled plastic bottles. And just taking a look inside, you can see the lining as well as the stitching as well. So the stitching detail of the shopping bag along with its lining as well. So the lining has a kind of, I'm not quite sure how to describe it, has a cotton-like feel to it, but obviously being a recycled plastic bottle shopping bag, these are quite lightly plastic fibers right there. And then of course the handle, made from nylon, has a nice red color as well, slightly lighter than the main print design on the plastic bag itself. So giving you some close-up detail to the stitching once again, so you can see there is a square cross stitch there. So very important, especially when the bag is designed to carry heavy items. You definitely want to make sure that not just the bag that doesn't rip apart, but the handles as well don't come apart when lugging heavy items. So there we go, taking a nice good look inside with my hands out of the way, just pulling apart the handles, giving you a look to that 20 centimeter width of the shopping bag. So you can see easily flattens down and folds as well. Very simple, of course, right there. We have the shopping bag folded away for easy transportation or storage. And let's take a look at the bottom of the bag, which we haven't yet done. So right there, just a simple plain bottom right across the shopping bag. But once again, you can see that theme of the deep red strawberries and the strawberry flowers just carrying throughout the print of the shopping bag's design. So Yeo Valley Family Farm branding on both sides or opposite sides of the bag. And that's all there is to it. And of course, just taking a look at the edging detail here as well, just checking the stitching and overall production quality of this Yeo Valley shopping bag made from recycled plastic bottles. So nice and smooth, and of course being made from recycled plastic bottles, this bag is waterproof as well, which is good to know because that's really handy when it comes to the Great British weather. Okay, so let's see if we can stand the bag up on its own. Of course, there's nothing inside the bag, so no real weight to keep it down, but let's just try and keep it upright. So there we go, right there, and filling up the screen. So that's the Yeo Valley shopping bag. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!